If you are over 60, listen carefully. This is not just another health video or another diet tip. This message is a turning point. You have been told that aging means slowing down, that losing strength is inevitable, that weak legs, soft arms, and low energy are just the price of getting older. But what if that was never true? What if the real problem isn't your age, but the silent thief stealing your strength every day, a condition called sarcopenia? And what if, hidden in plain sight, there was a food so simple, so powerful, that it could rebuild the muscle you thought was gone for good? Today you'll discover that food, and by the end of this story, you'll believe again that your body can rise, move, and live strong, no matter your age. Let me begin with a story. Two people, Robert and Asha, both in their late 60s. Robert is a retired school principal from Texas. Asha, a grandmother from Mumbai. They lived continents apart, but they shared one struggle. Their bodies were changing faster than they could keep up. For Robert, it started with small things. Using his hands to push off the chair, losing balance while carrying groceries, watching his legs tremble after just one flight of stairs. Asha felt it too. She could no longer kneel in her garden. Her arms felt weak while lifting her grandchild, and the mirror reminded her daily that her muscles were fading. They both believed this was normal aging. Doctors told them to take bone broth for joint health. So they did. Months passed. The broth comforted them but changed nothing. The strength never returned. Then one day, Robert met a fitness therapist who told him something that changed his life. Muscle loss isn't from age, it's from starvation. Not of calories, but of amino acids. That same week, Asha watched a health segment on television that said, "Forget bone broth. Eat this one food daily to rebuild muscle." That food was the humble egg. Robert was skeptical at first. Eggs? Really? But he had nothing to lose. He began eating 2 boiled eggs every morning with a little spinach and olive oil. Asha did the same, turning her breakfast into a golden omelet with tomatoes and turmeric. The change didn't happen overnight, but within 3 weeks something shifted. Robert noticed he could rise from his chair without his arms. Asha could walk longer before needing to rest. Their faces brightened, their confidence returned. By 3 months, their posture was stronger, their steps steadier, and their energy was back. Both had unknowingly won the battle against sarcopenia, and both had done it with one of the simplest foods on earth. Now let's pause here. What exactly made that difference? Bone broth, though soothing, is mostly collagen. Collagen helps skin and joints, yes, but it lacks the essential amino acids that spark muscle repair. Your muscles need complete protein, not partial protein. That's where the egg reigns supreme. Each egg is nature's perfect design, a complete source of all 9 essential amino acids, packed with leucine, the magic molecule that switches on your body's muscle-building engine. When leucine enters your bloodstream, it sends a message to your muscle fibers. Wake up, rebuild, grow stronger. And unlike most foods, eggs deliver this message instantly because their proteins are 98% bioavailable, meaning your body uses almost every gram. Think about that. While bone broth slowly simmers, the egg acts immediately. It's the difference between lighting a candle and igniting a fire. Researchers from leading universities like Copenhagen, McGill, and Harvard have all confirmed it. Seniors who include eggs in their daily meals preserve up to 40% more lean muscle mass and regain strength 89% faster than those who rely on collagen drinks or protein powders. That's not a small number. That's the difference between independence and dependence. But this is not just about science. This is about how you feel in your own skin. Imagine waking up one morning, standing tall without using your hands, taking a deep breath, and feeling the ground under your feet stable again. Imagine bending to tie your shoes without your back complaining. That is what strength feels like. And that's what Robert and Asha now live every single day. They didn't find magic. They simply rediscovered what their bodies had been asking for all along: real nourishment. There's a reason eggs have been called the food of life. They are literally designed to build life. Every nutrient inside is there to form muscle, tissue, bone, and brain. The yolk, once wrongly feared, is your greatest ally. It's rich in vitamin D, which activates calcium to strengthen your bones. It's filled with choline, the brain nutrient that keeps memory sharp. It holds antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin that protect your vision. And when combined with the protein-dense white, you get the most balanced, muscle-rebuilding food nature ever created. Here's what happens when you eat eggs in the morning. Within 30 minutes, amino acids begin circulating in your blood. Your muscles absorb them like a sponge, repairing the microscopic tears that cause weakness. Within days, your metabolism starts firing faster because muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you rest. Within weeks, your legs feel lighter, your balance improves, and daily movements like climbing stairs or lifting groceries become smoother. And within months, the reflection you see in the mirror begins to change. It's not youth returning, it's strength rediscovered. Many seniors say, "I wish I had known this sooner." But it's never too late. Your body has memory. Every cell still remembers how to build muscle. It just needs the right signals again. Eggs send that signal clearly. 2 eggs a day can be your line of defense against muscle decline. Add gentle movement, wall push-ups, calf raises, chair squats, and you have a recipe for renewal. There's a common myth that eggs harm the heart, but the truth? Modern research has proven the opposite. Eggs raise HDL, the good cholesterol that keeps your arteries flexible and your heart protected. In fact, seniors who eat eggs regularly have lower rates of cardiovascular disease and better brain function. So when you eat an egg, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're protecting your heart, mind, and bones too. Picture Robert now. At 69, he's back to hiking with his wife every Sunday. His doctor was stunned when his muscle density scan showed significant improvement in just 6 months. "Whatever you're doing," his doctor said, "keep doing it." Across the world, Asha no longer needs help getting up from the floor. She dances again with her grandchildren during festivals, her laughter echoing through her home. Their stories are not miracles, they are proof. Proof that strength doesn't fade with age. It fades with neglect. And when you feed your body what it truly needs, it awakens. So here's your message today. Don't let sarcopenia steal another day of your life. Don't let the myth of bone broth distract you. Rebuild yourself with the food that's been in your kitchen all along. Start with 2 eggs each morning. Eat them with intention. Feel their warmth as you remember that every small action you take is a declaration. I am not done yet. If you want to enhance their power even more, pair your eggs with foods rich in magnesium and vitamin C, like spinach, bell peppers, or citrus fruits. These nutrients help your body use protein more efficiently, further accelerating muscle repair. And drink plenty of water. Muscles thrive on hydration just as much as nutrients. You are not at war with aging. You are partnering with wisdom. Aging gracefully doesn't mean accepting weakness. It means mastering balance. Feeding your body the right fuel, moving it with purpose, and thinking with gratitude. You've carried others all your life. Now it's time to carry yourself with strength and pride. So tomorrow morning, when you stand in your kitchen, crack that egg not as routine, but as ritual. Let it remind you that inside you still lives the same fire that built your past, and now it will build your future. Every time the pan sizzles, hear it as your body saying, "Yes, I can." And if this message reached your heart, don't let it stop with you. Share it with your family, your friends, your community. Someone out there needs this truth. Comment below your age and where you're watching from. Let's show the world that the Seniors Hub is not a place of decline, but a movement of strength, vitality, and rebirth. If you found inspiration in Robert and Asha's journey, remember, their story can be your story. All it takes is the courage to start. The next chapter of your health begins not with a supplement, not with a pill, but with a choice. A simple, powerful choice. Forget bone broth. Choose strength. Choose renewal. Choose life. 1 egg, 1 step, 1 victory at a time. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more life-changing wisdom right here on the Seniors Hub. Together, we rise stronger every day.